Kaya pa po. Kaya pa. Ilang taon na ho kaya ngayon eh? 61 na. Ang lakas pa. Good morning guys. We are here at Dalupirip, Itogon Benguet. So papunta tayo ngayon sa Mount Pigingan. So Mount Pigingan is 1,328 meters above sea level. So kaka-start lang ng trek. From the registration area, sasakay kayo ng monster jeep around 40 to 45 minutes hanggang dun sa may start ng hanging bridge, and then tatawid kayo ng hanging bridge, and then that's the start of the trek going up to the Mount Pigingan. So here you go. Bakit na naman? Ay. Kakoy uwi. Kakayanin. Diyan na yung summit. Konting hakbang na lang. Maabot ko na rin ang summit. Sobrang, ayan o, mga bundok na yan. Kalbo na siya. Wala siyang kabuhay-buhay. May ilang puno na lang natitira. Kaya siya nag-color brown. Pati rin sa kabila o. after 7 hours of hiking to the summit, we're going down now. Pabalik, back trail lang din kami. Back to the jump off area. So parang nakakapagod lang kasi actually kaya naman sana, kaso ang problem lang is maraming stopover, pahinga. Kaya siguro instead na tuloy-tuloy yung, alam mo yun, tuloy-tuloy yung momentum ng katawan mo, napipigil at uulit ka na naman ulit. So yun yung naging problem, kaya medyo natagalan. Supposedly pagka tuloy-tuloy ito, mga around 4-5 hours lang nasa summit ka na. So yun, I will break down the budget for this trip, for this hike. This is just a day hike in Mount Pigingan. This is a 1,328 meters above sea level. So joiner lang ako, so medyo nakakamura ako. Pero if magdi-DIY tayo or magdi-DIY kayo, it can be more kasi medyo mahirap lang yung transportation if wala kang sariling sasakyan going to the jump off or going to the registration area. So yun yung magiging problem nyo, yung transportation going to the jump off. So i-break down ko right now yung budget for joiner and budget for the DIY hike here at Mount Pigingan. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe to this channel already. If you haven't, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you'll be updated on our next uploads. See you in the next video. Bye.